Welcome again. Today we are talking about progressive enhancement, a web design strategy that starts with a solid simple base and adds advanced features only when the browser can handle them. Think of it like starting with the bike and slowly turning it into a motorcycle. Progressive. With progressive enhancement, you start with core content HTML that works anywhere. Then you layer on styling, interactivity, and animation for modern browser. It's about making sure everyone get access no matter for their devices. Just like adding feature to a bike, you enhance your website. Start with the working version and then add fancy features, but only for browsers that can support them. This form works everywhere, but if the browser supports modern features like fetch, we can add better performance. That's progressive enhancement in action. Solid base first, then enhancement that never break the core.